Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first steps. Sign into your Apple ID on the device and enable Wi-Fi. This lets you query Apple servers. Once done, locate the serial number, settings general about, or check the device body or original box. Make sure the Apple Support app is installed or that you can open settings general about coverage. These immediate steps put you in position to retrieve Apple Care details quickly and securely. Now continue by actually pulling up coverage information. In the Apple Support app, tap Devices, pick your device, and open Coverage. You'll see plan type and expiry. Alternatively, in Settings, go to About Coverage or enter the serial at Apple's Coverage check page. Both show purchase date and included services. Make sure to note whether you have Apple Care Plus versus the standard limited warranty, because that changes repair options, deductibles, and accidental coverage. This middle phase confirms what protection applies to your device. Finish by acting on the coverage you found. If Apple Care is active, schedule service through the Support app, call or book an Apple Store appointment, and prepare your serial and receipts. If coverage is expired, check receipts or reseller records for possible late enrollment or replacement options. Make sure to back up your device before any service. If coverage details are missing or incorrect, try signing out and back into your Apple ID, restart the device. And if that fails,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.